Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by confirming prerequisites and taking the first actions. Check your iPhone's iOS version and update if it's behind. Make sure you're signed into your Apple ID and set date and time to automatic so certificates validate properly. Once done, reconnect to a stable Wi-Fi or cellular network because intermittent connections break verification. Next, locate the app that reports integrity cannot be verified and note how it was installed, App Store, test flight, or sideloaded, since the steps differ. Now you'll handle the core verification fixes depending on how the app arrived. If it's from the App Store, delete and reinstall to force a fresh signature check. That often resolves corruption. If it's test flight, open test flight, refresh builds, and accept invitations so Apple servers revalidate the build. For sideloaded apps, you must re-sign them with a current certificate or install a trusted provisioning profile. This is why automatic time and Apple ID matter. They control certificate trust and expiration checks. Finish by rebooting the device to clear cached validation states, then open the app again. Often a restart forces a clean verification. Make sure you check Settings, General, Device Management. If a developer profile needs trusting, tap it and confirm. If problems persist, update iOS to the latest version and retry because certificate handling improves with updates. If that still fails, contact the app developer or Apple support. They can reissue a signed build or advise on provisioning problems.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.